Hey everybody, I wanted to give you an update on the C10 truck. I'm going to try and kind of do this weekly if I can. It's a 355, it's a 60 over 350. I mentioned in the last video I'm pulling it out, putting a different cam in it. I'm going to check the bearings, going to open up the gaps on the rings so I can put a turbo on here in the future. The main goal of this truck is to build like a stadium style truck. You know, the Robbie Gordon series stadium trucks, super trucks. I want to build this just like an 85, 84 Mickey Thompson series back then, stadium truck. So a lot of horsepower, a lot of suspension travel. Some big 35 tires going to go on this thing all the way around. And I decided to go ahead. I mentioned in the last video I wasn't going to go ahead and do the body work on it, but I changed my mind. I'm going to go ahead, since it's so easy to pull the engine out with all this crap out of the front. I'm going to pull the fenders off the whole front end separately in separate pieces. I guess you guys know you can pull this whole nose off as one unit, but to facilitate the paint job, that's really not what I want to do. So cowl comes off, fenders come off, front radiator support's going to come out, radiator of course. Already got the alternator off, the headers off, fuel injection units off, pulleys, belts. I do have an electric water pump to put on this thing when we go back together with it. That's about it for this thing right now. And I've been looking at the bike over here, and again, sorry for the light, I have just a super bright light. The blower can work, it can fit in here, the supercharger. It's going to be really a tight fit though, so I definitely have to get another motorcycle because it's going to end up with the fuel injection unit or the carburetor up in this area here underneath the gas tank. So there's going to be some serious space considerations to have to worry about. But that's for me to worry about. What else? Got the battery box put together down there. Just got to clean it up, bead blast it, make some brackets for it. Making a coil mount to mount the coils. And going to do a fuel line this week, hopefully. Also got the new forward controls. I want to show you those. Oopsie. For this thing, and they're essentially identical to what we have on there, other than the banjo. Excuse me. There you go. You can see them. Essentially the same cylinder. Just the banjo fitting here for the line is going to go on the front rather than on the side. That's no big deal. It's getting a new line anyway. What else? What else? Went with the chrome style polished aluminum, levers going on this thing again. Just gonna polish up all the silver on it. And that's really it for the bike this week. I haven't gotten a lot done. There was a cold snap and a lot of rain down here in Georgia. It kind of slowed everything down. But we're moving along. Here's the new grill. There's the old grill. Sorry for the angle. And then coming back this way, here's the new grill going in the front end of the truck. It's already got new headlight surrounds in it. Come back over here and show you this. Replaced both of those already. So they're looking sharp. And of course I'm going to have to get a bigger radiator. I'm looking at a 4-row aluminum radiator on Amazon right now. Of course I already got electric fans. So that's it for tonight. Hope you all had a good weekend. I had a pretty busy weekend working on this and piddling on the bike and stuff around the house. But things are moving along. I will update you as soon as I have something to show you, hopefully within a week. Thanks everybody, and thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate everybody watching the channel. You guys have been checking out my bike videos quite a bit, and it's really humbling and really just a great thing. Thank you guys. I hope you'll keep it up. I'll keep working on it, get this thing running really soon. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and tell your friends. Share it with somebody. Thanks a lot. Have a good night.